Hi, my name is João. I'm going to present my work experience at Carrot Incentives. I worked as a full stack developer in a small high performing team of under 15 people. I joined the company before actually completing the common core, which meant that I was stepping directly into a professional software development environment with prior to no experience very early in my career, which ended up forcing me to grow fast. That growth was not just technically, but also how I collaborated, communicated, and delivered production quality software. In my work experience, I had the opportunity of leading 3 projects across the entire stack. I worked in projects with diverse stacks, with Angular, Java, Docker, Kubernetes, and even more. The company that I worked for was Carrot Incentives. Carrot is a specialized Portuguese consultancy company focused on integration software for ICMs in the telco sector. Carrot's main product is C3, or Carrot Commissions Connect, which is a metadata-driven platform that provides data integration between complex telco systems and incentive compensation engines. My work at Carrot was or can be divided in 4 main parts. The first was actually developing an analytics system with a custom solution for our complex needs. The other project was actually migrating our whole infrastructure and CI/CD pipelines from Jenkins to GitHub Actions and from Bitbucket to GitHub. The other one was the development of a public API, and the other one was not so much of a project, but actually a continuous work of improving how the team worked together, internal processes, and modernizing development workflows. My first contribution was the lead of the development of a new analytics system for Carrot. We moved from a custom Java-based analytics engine to a modern headless BI solution with a tool called Cube.js. For this, we designed the star schema with optimized solutions for OLAP analytics, where we separated facts and dimensions for faster aggregations and efficient drill downs. On the front-end side, I developed an Angular module integrated with Chart.js for dashboards visualization with complex charts and filters. The deployment of this was fully Docker-based, giving us production-ready clusterized environments that were easy to scale and replicate. The other project, and one of my major contributions, was actually leading the migration of our CI/CD pipelines from Jenkins to GitHub Actions. With this, I also handled the version control migration from Bitbucket to GitHub, which helped centralize our development ecosystem. Along with this, I also introduced automation enhancements, including unit and integration tests, linting, and structured code review workflows. The other project that I was working on was leading the design and development of a new public REST API. The goal here was to provide a more secure and consistent integration point for external systems. I modernized several downstream services to align with REST RFC standards, which defined consistent error formats. I wrote clear API documentation with Swagger and OpenAPI, added usage examples, and created supporting tools to simplify onboarding for both internal and external developers. Beyond my whole technical work, I focused on improving the development process and collaboration culture. I introduced coding standards, unit tests, linting, and semantic version to the product. I also established structured pull requests and code review workflows, improving communication, and was a strong advocate for this. From day one, I worked across the entire stack, from front-end development in Angular to back-end services in Java, and even DevOps work with Docker, Kubernetes, and AWS. I quickly became the kind of developer who could move between all layers. What I enjoyed most about Carrot was the trust and responsibility I was given early on, leading the projects end-to-end designing solutions that went into production, and continuously improving how the team worked.